you. Hoping that you got it bad for me. I'm in my bag for you. I'm hoping that you in your bag for me. Breaking my back for you, but you gotta break it back for me. I just felt like shit.
What's up, YouTube? So we're gonna be doing this look. I can't talk too long because, you know, I just want y'all to get into the look. I hope y'all like it. I hope this do something for y'all spirit, because it definitely got me feeling myself, okay? Stay tuned for the video because it's coming right at ya. What's up, YouTube? Y'all, I'm over here getting my energy right before we start this video, because you know I'm just cleansing the energy around me. These Palo Santo sticks will get your energy right. But anyway, we're gonna do something fun, something different or whatever, that I have not done on this page before. So y'all in for a treat today. Y'all in for a little bit of a treat. First things first, we gonna go in with our brows, and I'm gonna just be using this brow cream by Morphe, and it's called Java baby. Can y'all see that? Yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna go in with the angled flat brush. This one is by Tarte, and it has a spoolie on the end, and we just gonna brush through our brow hairs, and we're gonna start sculpting them babies out. Now we're going to sharpen them up a bit with this e.l.f. concealer in deep chestnut. We're gonna use this to sculpt out the top and the bottom of my, I was about to say lashes, my brows, with a flat 242 brush by MAC. All right, y'all, we got our eyebrows on. Now I'm just going to set the brow hairs with this Essence lash and brow gel right here by Essence Cosmetics. And I like to use this because I like for you to still be able to see my brow hairs. All right, so now we're gonna go into the eyeshadow base, and we're going to be using Mega Concealer by Moira Cosmetics. You feel me? And it's going to be in the color Nutty number 500. And I will list all of the products used in the description box below, like I always do. So if you miss something in the video, just hit the drop down box and you will have all of the information there. So I'm just going to put this on, and we're going to blend this in. I like to blend in my eyeshadow base with a flat synthetic brush, and the one of my choice today is this MAC brush, and the number is 247. This is how a base for your eyeshadow should look. Just like this. Just a little lighter than your skin tone. I'm going to be going in with this Never Ending Lights palette. And I'm literally just taking one color out of here. This is by Moira Cosmetics. And I'm just going to go in with this black. And I'm going to use that to start to build up my crease. So we're going to use that one first with a shader brush, because we're going, you know, beat that thing in. You feel me? We're gonna beat it in. And that's how we're gonna start. So we're just gonna leave it just like that. This is the color, the palette we're gonna work from for the rest of the look. This one is called The Tribe by Juvias Place. And I'm going to be taking, so far, I'm just going to be taking these two out of this palette. So I guess we're going to be working with one more palette after this. But yeah, these two colors. And I'm going to start with this one first and blend on top of the black. Literally doing the same thing, using the same brush, but using that different color. So y'all see we got that blend going on with the black and the green. And we're going to go in with the lighter green that I showed y'all previously. So now I'm going to take this palette by the Collective Cosmetics. It's called Phobos and Diemos. Phobos and Diemos. I honestly don't know what that means. But that's what the palette is called. And it is a little messy because these shadows are very, very soft. So you touch them with one little prick and boom, they just melt everywhere. I'm going to go in with this color right here. And that's going to be the last color I blend into my crease. To clean my crease, because I'm going to cut it with some more concealer, I'm just going to take this Instant Cleansing Balm by Good Molecules. Basically, it's a makeup remover and a Q-tip. And I'm just going to go in and start to just remove this part underneath my crease. So that way I can start applying my concealer to cut it. All right, kids. So now we have our crease ready to be cut by this same concealer that we used earlier. So we are going to take a little bit of that out, put it on the back of our hand, and I like to cut my crease with the flattest brush you can find, and to me that's the MAC 242. That's the one that I have in my collection. Whatever flat brush you have, but it's the same brush that I use to go around my brows. So I'm gonna pick up that color and I'm going to add probably enough concealer on there to go ahead and start to I like to load it on here first and then start to etch out that cut crease. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you cut a crease. So now I am going to just tap. Shoot, I'm dropping stuff. I'm going to use the same brush I used earlier to tap in the concealer. And I'm just going to tap it in. Tap, 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 tap. Alright, so to like set this, I'm going to use this beige powder. This is what I use to set my under eye concealer and stuff. And I'm going to use this on the eyelid. This part I'm really not going to talk too much through. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend the same thing that I did in my crease. I'm going to do on the lower lash line and blend it all the way up. Well, not all the way up, just like halfway up. So that's what I'm about to do right now, and I'm just going to speed through that and then we'll move on to the next step. So I'm just gonna take some black gel eyeliner and a 210 brush by MAC as well, and we're just gonna line closely to the lash line. Now I'm about to take this gold glitter and I'm gonna make a line of gold glitter from like right where the crease is cut. So like we're like right up underneath it. I got the eye look down. Now all I have to do is put on these lashes that I just had ready. Oh, here they go. Y'all, these are by Crown Jewels lashes. And these are the type here. This is what they look like. And I think these will be perfect for this look. Like, you know, dramatic lashes for a dramatic look. So we're going to go ahead and pop these babies on. All right, y'all, so I got my lashes on, and now I'm going to, I just bought this from the from Walgreens, and it is e.l.f.'s Flawless Finish Foundation, and the color is, oh shoot, almost dropped it, chocolate, 560 chocolate. We're gonna see if this match. If it don't, we're gonna work with it still, because you know, y'all know I know how to finagle some foundation. All right, y'all, so I put on the foundation. I'm sorry I couldn't record it. My phone literally ran out of storage, so I had to, you know, make some room. But I love the way this foundation is looking. So we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Deep Cinnamon, and I'm just gonna do this underneath my eyes here and down the bridge of my nose and on my upper lip, and we're gonna blend that out. I'm actually not mad at e.l.f. and e.l.f. together. Like, e.l.f. concealer and e.l.f. foundation together is like kind of like, you know, looking really, really nice. So if y'all, you know, beauty on a budget type girls like me, check out your local drugstore, because baby, their products is hitting. Like, hitting. Ain't nothing worse than when you blending your your makeup, and literally like your brush is just shedding all over the place. And I remember when I used to work at MAC, and they would be like, when you're selling our brushes, let the customer know that if you take good care of your brushes, they'll last you for 10 years. And I wanted to be like, what they should have said was, if you don't use these bitches, they'll last you for 10 years. So now I'm going to contour, and I'm not going to do my forehead just because I got this wig on. So I'm just going to do my cheeks and my down the bridge of my nose, because it would be pointless to do my forehead for real. I don't think I need it today. So we're going to do those two areas, the cheeks and the nose. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I did my lips off camera because I'm trying to save room, you know what I'm saying, for my storage, because y'all know I'm going through a bit of a storage crisis right now. But yeah, this is it, and I hope you all enjoy it. If you want to see more detailed tutorials like this, leave me a comment below. But I'm gonna just wrap it up right now. I hope to see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and next time I'll, you know, it'll be a better ending. But thank you for watching.